Hey everyone, Rob here from Elastoproxy. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager. And today we're launching our short story called Sealing the Win with True Costs. And the reason why we're launching this new way or repackaging our message in essence is, well, when it comes to marketing, we're a company that, first of all, likes to have fun. We take a little bit of risks when it comes with marketing. And the most important thing is we really want to cut through the noise that's out there and make sure that the message gets across. So we decided to have fun with it and package it up as a short story. So here's chapter 1 of 8 chapters, and we'll be releasing them every 2 weeks. We're looking forward to seeing how this goes and would love to hear the feedback that's out there in the industry. So please don't be shy to comment. We're looking forward for your feedback. So again, chapter 1, here's Eric. I hope everyone enjoys and see you guys in 2 weeks for chapter 2. Have a good one.